Hi everybody, we're back for day 24. We're hanging out at my house, and I broke Heather's toe so we couldn't go walking. And
it's purple.
It's purple. You want to see it? Let's see it.
Let's show up on camera.
Okay.
Does it show up?
It does a little bit. Look, it's like the discolored part. Like
right here.
Why am I? Okay.
Evan, right here and underneath is all purple.
Ew. Okay, that's gross. Anyway, she's fine. It's not.
Oh, it hurts really bad
broken.
though. I don't think it's broken, but it hurts. It could be broken.
It's not. We're hungry. We want to eat. Doesn't look like we're doing anything today. I guess we want to watch a movie. But oops. Sorry. Huh? Oh God.
What is it? Did it fall out of the trash bag?
It probably fell out of the trash bag. It looks like coffee grounds.
You go back upstairs. Go back upstairs.
Uh-oh. Just so I took the trash out and the garbage bag broke open. Yeah. Anyway. Look at Lucky! Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Okay, I got you. Look. Look, look, look. Look, look, look. He's got like crap all over his face. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Get it! Okay, that's all I got. Tune back in a second to you guys. Bye! Hi, Isaac. Yeah.
Oh, he has the picture.
We're here walking Isaac. Again. All my videos are like running together. I do the same thing every day.
Oh no. You're going off the road.
The other kids are watching Wally. My mom went to a meeting with my dad. So we're here walking Isaac, so we don't have to watch the other kids. My brother's watching the big kids while they watch Wally.
But we're gonna have to watch them later.
Yeah. When we get...
Is he mad?
What?
Did you say he was mad?
Sounded like he was. We're gonna have to watch the all the kids when we get back.
Did you throw up because he's hiccuping, Willie?
No.
Okay.
She thinks he's gonna throw up.
Well, I know how much he can't throw up, so I don't want that to happen.
Okay. Whoop. You're gonna push me off the road, Heather.
Sorry, I was making room for the car.
Anyway, so hopefully it doesn't rain. Here, I'll show you guys the sky. It's like dark and ominous over there, and then like nice and blue over here. I don't even know. So anyway. Hi! He's looking down. Boo!
Hi! You want your thing? No. See, no. I want to see. You want to see my pretty face, don't you? Yeah, bike.
Alright, that's all we got. I guess we'll be back later probably. We might watch a movie, hopefully later, but
I'm
anyway.
watching the kids for now.
Alright, we'll see you guys in a second. Boo! Boo!
Hi. Is it too dark for the camera?
It's pretty dark.
Turn
Look,
the light on.
we're watching Wally with the kids because my parents are... Ivy looks crawling all over me.
Ow. I did not get on him because Evan is really big.
And Isaac's really little.
It's so dark in here.
Turn
We're watching
the light on.
Wally.
Turn the camera.
I
Use
can't.
that part.
Yeah, I can. I can't turn on while the camera's on though.
But you can turn the light on. This is
Anyway.
when he comes up.
And it's raining.
This is the part when he comes up.
Okay, I'm watching.
And the man's walking up. If you see the
It's very wet.
If you see him throw the plant right in there, that means he's almost cleaning up.
Okay.
You see him throw the plant
Whoa. Isaac! Talk. Hey! Hey!
We babysat
We babysat and it was long.
for 2 hours. That's not bad. They were pretty good. For the most part.
Yep.
They started wrestling in the middle. We yelled at them.
What are we doing now?
Not tickling me. Look at my paleness. Ew. Okay, I don't like my legs.
Okay.
Your dad wants you. He yelled your name. Say what?
What? I'll be back.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.
No, you can talk to it.
I don't want to.
You talk to it.
I don't want to.
You talk to it.
We'll record. We'll record later.
Hey, we're back. We're drinking.
Lemonade.
This is pee.
It's lemonade.
Yep.
Do I look stupid like this?
Yep.
Don't. You have to talk about something.
Okay. So
My
we might
paws.
watch a movie, but Heather doesn't feel good, so we might not. How do you feel?
I feel better. I'm just tired. Watching those kids, I was like, I was burning up. It's hot upstairs.
Watching kids is exhausting.
It wasn't like exhausting. It was just really hot upstairs.
Okay, well, we might watch a movie or like just chillax or something. And tomorrow, I don't know. And then Saturday, I don't know. I'm going to the beach 1 week from today. 1 week from, actually, like, exactly 1 week from today, I will be at the beach, enjoying myself, soaking up the
With the
stars.
kids. It won't be as much fun with the kids. Do you think? It might actually be funner.
Yeah, because
they'll be adorable.
Yeah, because they'll enjoy it and stuff.
Like Josiah, I don't know. Josiah's still like at the age where he's still cute.
Yeah. Anyway.
They took the safeties off the lighters because they're stupid.
Yep, I said last night in the video. If you
Oh,
had
you did?
watched it.
I didn't watch it.
Well, it's too bad.
I'll watch it after we stop recording.
Okay. So anyway, we're watching Friends now. They made me.
I love the
She
show.
did.
It's the best show ever.
She did.
It's hilarious.
Anyway.
I zoomed, I think. What does
Oh,
that mean?
Don't zoom.
I didn't mean to.
Okay. Hey everyone. You can't see me.
Sorry.
Oops.
Evan, stop! It's the second time.
That was a cute face of mine. This is the longest video ever. We need to stop.
I have a big nose.
Tell her to shut up. She thinks she's fat too. Isn't she
I don't
pretty?
think I'm fat.
She's pretty.
I just have cellulite.
She's pretty. Psych! Hey, no, go away.
Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop.
Good.
Bye.
Bye.